Welcome to another Lexoft presentation. Today we want to show you T3 Classify, which is the tool that knowledge management professionals will use to classify, prepare, and publish documents. As you could expect, since we are using iManage within the firm, everything is in Outlook. Here, we notice that we have one single workspace for all of our KM documents, but we could have as many as we wish. For example, we can have a workspace per each practice area. Also, we have different folders here to create a classification workflow, a publication workflow. This could make it as complicated as we need it, depending on each firm. Obviously, the good thing about using iManage is that all of the security and all of the audit is pure standard iManage. So we can have different access for different people depending on the different tasks that they're doing. But let's go back to the document we just received. Contract from the AB Corporation. Maybe as a knowledge professional, the first thing that I want to do is to take out the names before I can publish this as a model. So as you could expect, this is simple, standard iManage. So I just can delete the name and prepare it. Next thing that I want to do is just to send this to the next publication cycle. So in a very simple manner, I can approve this document, I can reject this document, or I can even add some comments to it. So I'm just going to hit continue, and what is going to happen is going to move the document to the next classification cycle. So here I have this document in my approved documents. But before I send it into my published documents, where everybody will see it, maybe I want to review where is the classification I have of the document. So I just go ahead and hit classify. Here I see that I have my different classification. I notice that is trade, that is corporations, fine, but I see something here that I don't like, that I don't understand. So I'm just going to delete this taxonomy. Also, I notice that I don't have the name of the lawyer who has prepared this document, so I just want to add this as a new taxonomy. Very simple once again. As soon as I hit the message on the top of my screen, these changes that I've made will be saved, so this document will be properly classified for everybody to use. From here on, the only thing I have to do is to move this into my next publication cycle, which will be to the published documents, and once that this is done, it will be available to everybody within my firm. Once again, we want to remind you that by using T3, you don't need to add any new software or any new hardware, so it makes it a completely hidden cost-free publication tool.